Hi everyone, my name is Kyle Scanlon with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take you on a walkthrough of my 2024 Tidewater 3100 Carolina Bay. This boat does come equipped with a trailer, underwater lights, twin power poles, Mercury 400R motors, and swim ladders on both sides. Let's hop aboard. If you notice in the back, we have twin racing 400R Mercury motors with only 69 hours on them. Twin power poles, flip up aft seating, plenty of room for casting, mezzanine leaning post with rocket launchers and light bar, insulated cooler, and plenty of room for tackle storage. And on both sides, there are electric jump seats. Up here at the helm, you'll notice that we have dual seating, JL audio speakers. We have your raw water washdown, wireless charging, controls for your jack plate, dual digital throttle and shift, joystick with skyhook, zip wake trim tabs, dual SIMRAD monitors, and I'd like to point out that the windshield does open to let in ventilation. Moving on to the head, you'll notice that it's a very large, spacious, fully enclosed head with access to your batteries. Moving up to the bow, you'll notice we have a chase lounge with large storage underneath. Plenty of seating in the bow with retractable backrests. There are 60-gallon fish boxes underneath each seat. If you'll notice at the bow, there's a very large casting platform. Large forward storage for life jackets or skiing equipment. And a good sized windlass with deck controls. Thanks for joining me on my walkthrough of this 2024 Tidewater 3100 Carolina Bay. If you'd like to learn more about this or any of our other boats, you can visit us at MarineMaxCharleston.com. I'll see you on the water.